Oh gosh. Oh no.
Hey buddy, what you doing?
Oh, hey. I'm hanging up this studio light from a ceiling just so I can save some space.
Oh, that's a really cool idea. You got equipment insurance, right?
With Professional Photographers of America? Of course I do.
There you go, that's my boy. But did you know that PPA has marketing and sales tools?
Wait, what? What do you mean?
They've got resources that are designed to help you increase exposure, improve your sales process, and grow your understanding of marketing within the digital landscape.
Huh, okay. Tell me more.
Well, PPA marketing and sales tools includes customizable brochures, they've got downloadable price lists, ebooks specifically created for photographers to learn more about sales and marketing, and they've got tutorials and videos with topics such as business branding, content creation, and successful digital marketing tips.
Wow, that's actually really helpful.
So when you're done hanging up that light, definitely check out PPA's marketing and sales tools, and if you know anyone who's a photographer running their own business, then you should send them to the link below where they can get $25 off their PPA membership.
Oh, well, that's nice of you.
I know, feeling pretty generous.
Hi, hello, welcome to my new office. And because it is a small office, I'm trying to figure out ways to make this space not feel so cramped. Hence, why I've decided to hang up my studio lights from a ceiling. I mean, just look at it right now. Like, that's pretty cool, right? Like, that's my key light and just stays right there. Just no light stands on the bottom, taking up space. And all I used to hang up this light was a scissor clamp and some safety wire. But let me show you how I set this up. Oh boy, here we go. Just bear with me. Ugh, it's so cramped here, guys. Oh boy, there's no one else in the building, so if I fall and break my back, that's it. I'm done. All right, let me flip the camera around so you can see. Boom, there is my light. Got the Amaran 100D, you got the Aperture Light Dome SE, so a very lightweight setup. And what is the brand that I use for this extension? I'm not sure. I'll put it down in the description below. But here's how I've set it up. So I've got the scissor mount over there. It's clipped onto the ceiling brackets, and I have this extension rod going all the way down over here, connecting my light. And I can adjust it too. I can drop it down even further, but this is like the perfect height for it. And just for a safety measure, I've included these safety wires connected to these support clips over here. So just in case this whole setup falls down, I've got two safety wires that will support the whole thing in case gravity decides to be a little punk. If you want to see a little closer shot of it, there is the scissor mount right over there, just locking on to the ceiling brackets. And you have to push these little tiles up in order for them to bite. And then I attach this extension rod all the way down to connects to my light. And it is a little bit of a mess. I'm gonna clean it up later, but yeah, that is my key light hanging from the ceiling. And look how much space I've saved. Well, I still gotta clean stuff up. It's still really messy here, but at least I don't have like big old light stand or C-stand just taking up so much space on the ground. It's now connected to the ceiling. And then I'm probably gonna get this this power cable. I'm gonna run it up the extension rod and just kind of have it go down on the corner just to clean it up a little bit. But yeah, I literally just set all this up right now. And so far, I think it's pretty cool. Look at that. And then I'll be there sitting in my chair. That's where I'll be filming all my talking head videos. And I just use the Sidesync app on my phone to turn this light on and that light on and some other lights I plan to put up later. But yeah, that is my light setup from a ceiling. Oh man, I don't want to go down. I'm so scared. Ugh. All right, so I'm gonna show you how the clamps work and operate so that you can do it yourself. Just let me get down to safety. Pardon the mess, it's still a bit messy here. I literally just put this up. All right, it's on my monopod. Okay, very cool. I am sweaty. I'm glowing right now. But that is my setup, my key light hanging from the ceiling. And I love that I can just turn it on by using the Sidesync app on my phone. And because I'm using all Amaran lights, like I can control all the parameters of the lights with the tip of my fingers. And so yeah, that is my key light in my tiny office. All right, let me show you how these things work. So here is the actual scissor mount. And you see these little, I guess, teeth? We'll call them teeth. When you bring them together, they lock on to the bracket of the ceiling. See that right over there? And you just kind of just close it in so that it bites onto it. And then with this particular scissor mount, if you rotate it to the right, it actually locks the teeth in place, and that way it doesn't come loose. But once it's locked onto the ceiling bracket, over here where the baby pin is, that is where you mount your studio light. And once your light is on, you just lock it in place. And after that, what you want to use is this. This is a safety wire. And what this does is that it kind of acts as a fail-safe in the rare event that your studio light falls off the baby pin. And if your studio light is hooked up to the safety wire, which is connected to this part of the scissor mount, I don't know if you can see, it's like right over here. It's just pretty much a keychain holder. You just thread the safety wire through that keychain and then clip all the wires if you're using more than one together just like that. And now you have a fail-safe just in case your studio light falls from the ceiling. But yeah, I think hanging up studio lights from a ceiling is such a great idea, especially if you want to save space if you're working in a small studio like this. And I can't believe I haven't done this before, so there you go. All right, well, that's it for this video. If you want to check out all the gear that I mentioned in this video, all the links will be down below, from the lights to the modifier, to the scissor mount, to the safety wires. Those things will be down below. And if you want to check out PPA and take advantage of all those resources, the link will be down below as well. But that's it for this video. I am like super tired. Today's been the most stressful day of this week. Like I had to move all my gear from my office to this office, and then I got locked at some point. That wasn't fun. And then I had to make 3 videos afterwards. And so I'm done. Maybe I'll grab some tacos and ice cream. Tacos and ice cream. All right, see ya.